My name is Peter Collier, and today I'll be talking about Chapter 13 in MATLAB, Sight and Sounds. MATLAB has the ability to do many things. In this chapter, we'll be talking about how to manipulate sound files and image files. To start with sound, we're going to use the load command to load any of the following files that MATLAB has already built into. The five it has are chirp, gong, laughter, splat, train, and handle. I'll be using the gong command. So you write your load command and then you open parentheses, apostrophe, gong, apostrophe, close parentheses, enter. Now you have to use the sound command. Sound, open parentheses, Y, comma, capital F, S, close parentheses, and you get your gong sound. Now, you can also get a visual image of the amplitude of your gong. So all you have to do is go plot, open parentheses, Y, close parentheses, and there you go. This would be your amplitude, and this would be how long the sound lasted. Now, you can also manipulate the hertz, and MATLAB has 8,192 hertz set as default. However, you can manipulate how fast you want it to sound or how slow you want it to sound. So all you have to do is use the sound command, open parentheses, Y, comma, capital F, small s. Now you can use times 5 to make the wavelengths shorter, or you can use the sound command and make it the wavelengths longer. Now MATLAB has also the ability to manipulate images. We've all seen that you can manipulate plots and graphs. Here we can manipulate actually colors. The colors are manipulated by using arrays. For example, the color map array is all these numbers that are shown to us. However, all we want to access is the amount of numbers and rows we have. So we're going to use map as a variable equals color map, and we're going to mute it this time. Now we still get this pops up. Now we can also change it. We're going to give variables to s, comma, t. We're going to have to use the brackets for this. Equals the size of map. We're going to use the size, open parentheses, map, our variable, close parentheses. And we get the size using S is 64 and T for 3. Now, to show the image of the variable we given, we go image, open parentheses, the variable, in this case map, close parentheses, and we get the image. In this case it's a blue square. We can change the square. We can change the pattern and the amount of colors there. In this case, I'm going to use Y as a variable equals reshape, open parentheses, 1, semicolon, 64, parentheses, and I'm going to use 8, comma 8, close parentheses. What this does, it reshapes the array. So now we have this array. Now, so when I use image, open parentheses, Y, close parentheses, we get this. We get from a dark blue to a very bright yellow. However, it's not the only thing you can do to control the images. If you can control an array, you can control the colors you have in the image. If you want to make a random color or a random selection of colors, you go W, or we're going to use W as a variable, equals rad in, comma, comma. And then what we're going to use, plug in between the commas, I'm going to use my variable s, comma, and 100. And it gives me all these variables, making each one different. So now when I access my image, comma, W, comma, I get a random selection of colors and random shades. So this is all for what I have to teach you for MATLAB.